Hey guys, this will be quick, I promise. I hope that to start that you and your families are in good health and continue to stay in good health as the uncertainty of what's going on continues. This video is really just to thank you for the year. Thank you for the effort that you've put in both in class and online. I really do miss seeing you guys in an actual classroom. I'm sure some of you guys have kind of mixed feelings about that, but either way, as far as the online sessions goes, I hope that you were able to learn something. I hope that you were able to grow in some way, learn something, whether it was about English or not. For instance, personally, I learned that quite honestly, I'm really not the world's best online teacher. And that's because it's not really why I became a teacher. Um, I didn't become a teacher because I wanted to sit at home and post assignments on Google Classroom, and, update grades from afar and all of that. I became a teacher because I really do genuinely love interacting with you guys in person, whether it was just hanging out during lead, or if you struck up a conversation with me during lunch, or maybe it was just lecturing while I was lecturing and teaching in class, or maybe it was one of the million times that one of you guys made fun of me this year. Whatever it was, I really do um, miss all of that. That's why I became a teacher. So I want to thank you guys for all those moments. I also want to thank you for those of you who felt comfortable and confident enough in me to talk to me about some other problems you were having, whether it was about school or class or it was personal things. Thank you for that. That really means a lot to me as well. Thank you for those of you who sent me emails and attached private messages onto Google Classroom assignments that weren't necessarily about the schoolwork at all. It was just about random stuff. Thank you for that. That's helped keep me sane over the course of the last 2.5 months or so. Um, as far as the year as a whole goes, I really do. I hope you learned something. I hope you had some fun. I hope I helped possibly develop an appreciation for some class things, some pieces of literature, some short stories, some poems, whatever it was. I really do. Um, and more than anything, I hope I made a difference in some way. Um, all that being said, guys, um, again, thank you for the year. I hope that you do come back and see me again, or whether it's you come in during lead or um, whether it's just during lunch or after school or whether you're supposed to be in some other class, whatever it might be. I hope that you do come back and see me. Um, but for now, I hope that you continue to stay safe. I hope that you're able to have fun, and I hope that you're able to enjoy your summer. Have a good one, guys.